Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the alternator on a Kia Sorento. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal from your vehicle's battery. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts or shocks while you work. Next, gather all your essential tools, including various wrenches, a ratchet set, and a specialized serpentine belt tool. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning any maintenance to avoid burns. Taking these initial precautions will make the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. Begin by locating the serpentine belt tensioner and using your specialized tool to loosen it, allowing you to slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and the main power cable attached to the alternator. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Unbolt these. Once all connections and bolts are free, gently maneuver the old alternator out of the engine bay. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully position the new alternator into the engine bracket, ensuring the mounting holes align perfectly. Insert and hand-tighten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, then use your wrench to secure them firmly. Next, reconnect the main power cable and all other electrical connectors, making sure they click securely into place. Finally, route the serpentine belt back over the alternator pulley and use your tensioner tool to apply the correct tension. You're almost done. For the final steps, reconnect the negative battery terminal to your vehicle's battery, ensuring a tight connection. Now, start the engine and listen for any unusual noises, like squealing from the belt. Check your dashboard for any battery or charging system warning lights. Ideally, they should be off. Use a voltmeter to confirm the charging system is producing around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. This confirms your new alternator is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.